Hi, my name is Rosemary, and if you want to see how I did this makeup look, then keep on watching. First, I just take a flat brush and a white eyeshadow, and then I just put it under my eyebrow. This part is super easy, takes 2 seconds. Then I take a gray eyeshadow and a fluffy blending brush. This is going to go in the crease to blend the black. Try not to do too much or it'll be really hard to blend it. After the gray is blended, you can get a black eyeshadow. I'm going to use this black one by MAC, and I'm going to use the same flat brush and put it on my eyelid. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. After I have black all around my eyes, I'm going to take the gray again and try to blend the black. After your eyelids are black and blended, you can move on to eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D tattoo one. I just start by drawing a line on the corner of my eye. And then once I have a line on the corner, I make a triangle. And then try to connect it to the corner of my eye. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Once you have eyeliner on the top, you can move on to lash liner. I'm going to be using my Kat Von D lash liner and then just start putting it on my waterline. After eyeliner, you can move on to mascara. After mascara, you can put on fake eyelashes. I'm going to be using Eclipse by Black Magic Lashes. After your eyelashes are on, you can move on to putting gloss. I'm going to be using Lip Gloss by MAC because it's the shiniest lip gloss I've ever used. I'm just going to put some on my finger and then put it onto my eyelid. So now I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to move on to my cheeks. I'll be using my Obsessed blush by Urban Decay and a random brush like this. And I'm just going to put it on like the middle of my cheeks. After blush for contour, I'm going to be taking the same gray eyeshadow I was using on my eyes. And I'm going to take the same brush. And I'm just going to put it onto my cheekbones. Now I'm going to use highlighter. I'm going to use my Jeffree Star highlighter in Ice Cold. Now I can move on to lipstick. I'm going to be using my black liquid lipstick by MAC. Now that my lipstick is dry, I'm going to take my MAC lip gloss and just put it over it. And the look is complete. Thank you for watching, especially if you got this far. Please leave a comment, let me know what you think. I love you all, and I'll see you next time.